Okay, input board, variable capacitors, trimmers were mounted on this board facing this way. That's 20 meters, 15 meters, and 10 meters was originally here facing just like that one there. But when this is mounted, you know, all mounted there, how do you get to those trimmers, you know? No hole, no way to adjust them at all. So what I did is, I just only dealing with the 10 meter one. I just reversed it, took it off of this side here, right over here, and reversed it and mounted it on the back side here. And now after I mount this board back and this cover back over the board, I'm going to carefully drill a hole in the rear of this amplifier, and then I should have access to that trim cap so I can adjust my input SWR. Alrighty, we're liking this amp. More to come. Bye.